Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sri Muslimatul Hisna. I will explain about the lunar eclipse and solar eclipse occur. If you look at the moon for several weeks, maybe you will think that it looks a little different every day. Change in the shadow based on when the moon is in its orbit. We call this cycle the moon phase, and that happens about once a month. The moon passes through shadow cast by the earth. From the earth, the moon will look dark and turn dark red before returning to normal. This is called a lunar eclipse. The moon passes through the penumbra and sunlight is only partially obscured. However, as the moon continues in its path, it enters the umbra phase. At this time, all the light from the sun is blocked. When light from the sun passes through the earth's side, it passes through the thick and long layers of the earth's atmosphere. Shorter wavelength of sunlight like blue and scattered by the atmosphere, so that by the time the light has completed its journey to the moon, more of the wavelength is longer. Like red, left in the earth, the same thing happens at sunset. When the eclipse, the moon leaves the umbra and returns to its normal color, and then leaving the penumbra and continue the original cycle. The whole process lasts for a few minutes or few hours. Between the Earth and the Sun, lunar orbit usually tilts a few degrees to north or south in relation with the Earth. When the moon passes through the sun, it throws two types of shadow on Earth, smaller and darker shadow known as umbra, while larger shadows is known as a penumbra. There are four types of solar eclipse. The first and most spectacular is a total eclipse, when the moon completely covers the surface of the sun. In the shadow of the penumbra only see a partial eclipse, the second type. From this point of view, outside the path of totality, the moon passes in front of the sun, which is outside its center, and never fully cover its surface. Third, a ring eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly in front of the sun. The moon's orbit is elliptical, so sometimes it's closer to Earth and sometimes farther away. Finally, a hybrid eclipse is when the position of the moon between the Earth and the sun is balanced, so the curvature of the Earth plays a role. The moon will be further from several parts of the Earth along the path of the eclipse, resulting in a rain eclipse. In other parts, the moon will get closer so that it completely covers the sun, resulting in a total eclipse, while a total solar eclipse occurs somewhere and on Earth every 1 or 2 years. At any given point on Earth, only experience that event. Thank you for your attention. And the last, I say, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.